Hi guys, Indian biker here. So welcome to my channel. I've recently purchased my vlogging gear, motor vlogging gear, and you can say this is my first motor vlog with some clear audio. I must say. So I hope the audio is good and it's clear and crisp. I hope you are all doing good and taking precautions on this weird times. It is really weird as we are living in a time where we have to wear protective masks to go outside, follow proper social distancing and physical distancing with our own family as well. These are weird times we are living in. Recently our Telangana government passed a law on helmets and the mirrors, side mirrors on the vehicles to be there. Even not only the rider but also pillion should wear the helmet, and every four-wheeler or a two-wheeler they should have side mirrors, as they quote unquote say that these are the major major cause of accidents. So to be honest, I don't think not having the side mirrors are the cause of many accidents, but yes, it is basic safety to be followed. Yes, you should wear helmets. I am not against wearing helmets or riding safety gear, having safety gear. As you can see, I wear my own safety gear. I wear a helmet, proper helmet, ISO certified, and I do have my mirrors. I generally tend to have my mirror on my vehicles no matter what. No matter how good of a driver you are or a rider you are, there will be an asshole on the road who always causes an accident, no matter how you are riding, how safely you are riding. So yes, there are protective measures, they have to be followed, but what I say is I don't think our government or traffic police have concerns about accident and people's life, because if they are really concerned about accidents happening due to these mirrors and all, if you look at our Hyderabad roads, they are shitty, real shitty. They have potholes everywhere, they have patchworks everywhere, they are improper roads, uneven roads everywhere. See, you can these are the live examples. You can see these uneven roads, potholes everywhere. These are the major things which cause accident. Yeah, above this there is a major thing which is drink and driving, which cause more accidents. But after that, these roads are major cause. These potholes, these uneven roads, these badly built roads are the major cause which cause accidents. They have to address these concerns rather than addressing the side mirrors or helmets. We are paying road taxes to build roads. They have to use those taxes. I don't know what, we can see so many vehicles on road but no proper roads. But when a person buys a vehicle, they have to pay a tax, road tax. I don't know all this money going. There are so many complications. One, accidents. Two, the life of the vehicle you're driving goes down, and the service cost increases due to the bad roads. There are some medical complications due to bad roads. The people in their late 20s and 30s and above go through medical complications due to these bad roads, man. Due to these bad roads, they get back pains, they suffer some internal body issues. There are so many problems due to these bad roads. So it's better, the government and traffic police should understand that before penalizing people for not having mirrors or helmets, they have to build proper infrastructure for this, for the people, for the public. The roads in Hyderabad are pretty shitty, man. It is very bad. It's very bad. I guess our government and police come up with this silly reasons to penalize public, man. As it is, we all know that this is a bad time for economy, and they have to government have to get some money from public. So these are some silly tricks which they use to generate revenue. I guess that is what I think. Other than that, there are no particular reasons for penalizing for not having a mirror on their vehicle. Yes, it is. I'm not encouraging people to not have a mirror on their vehicle or not wear a helmet, but I'm criticizing government uses these silly reasons to generate revenue. That is what I think. And because of if we have a good roads, good infrastructure for public, it will help us a lot. If we have a good road, one, the service cost goes down. I guess the insurance cost will also go down, and the medical complications which we suffer due to the bad roads, it will help a lot. And majorly the accidents due to bad roads, they will gradually go down. And there are so many positive things happen if we have proper good roads. We do have some shitty roads in Hyderabad now. I am stressing on it because that is the truth. And the other thing is, I don't know why media houses don't speak about these issues concern to road potholes and roads. There were several times when kids fall into manholes which were created on the roads. Kids fall into those manholes, and bad shit happens, man, due to those bad roads. Even sometimes if let's say a family is traveling on a bike and at the night, and they accidentally go into a pothole, they have that's certainly bad news for the family, man. This is very bad. What I want to say is, before penalizing your public, I would suggest government to lay proper roads, lay good roads, take care of manholes and potholes. I don't know what, let's say when a government by God's grace, when government takes care of a shitty road and lays a new road, new road on that particular area, I don't know how in a week's time GHMC comes over, digs the shit out of the road, leaves those potholes on the roads. And I don't know why this GHMC does this. Why I don't know why this GHMC and government can't be in sync and first do the work they have to do by GHMC, and then they lay the new roads. I don't know what it is. In a week's time they comes in, the GHMC guys come in, dig the shit out of the roads, man. I don't know why. There are so many motorbike clubs in Hyderabad. I never seen a biker club come ahead to speak about these bad road issues. I haven't seen any club doing a rally about these bad roads. I've seen multiple motorcycle clubs getting together and speaking about road safety and all. Yeah, that is good, but they also address these issues, do rallies of some kind, and take this issue further and help these situations get better, man. I really hope some or another biking club would do such sort of thing. And lastly, what I want to say to the government is, please stop penalizing public before you lay proper roads, man. You can't penalize people for not following the road safety, and on the contrary, the roads are not at all safe. It is very bad. I guess I have spouted enough nonsense. I guess I'm going to end this vlog here. So okay then, I guess this is the end of our vlog. See you later. Bye bye. Chalo, take care.